Scene script. Have you ever wondered about the strange and fascinating world of quantum physics? Welcome to the enthralling universe of Atomic Habits, a book that catapults us into the world of quantum physics. This realm, though invisible to the naked eye, shapes the very fabric of our reality. It's a universe where the rules of the macroscopic world we're familiar with are tossed aside and replaced with a new set of principles, as curious as they are profound. Atomic Habits is not just a book, it's a journey. Picture a voyage from the everyday world we see around us, a world governed by laws of physics we've known since Isaac Newton's apple, into the microscopic world of quarks, leptons, and bosons. This is a realm where particles can exist in two places at once, where they can spin in two directions simultaneously, and where observing a particle can change its state. In this book, the author doesn't just tell us about quantum physics, he takes us by the hand and leads us into its heart. He demystifies this complex world, simplifying concepts that could baffle even the most scientific minds. Through his words, quantum physics becomes not just accessible, but also intriguing, compelling, even beautiful. Imagine understanding the principles that underpin the universe, the rules that govern everything from the smallest particle to the largest galaxy. Imagine the thrill of comprehending the quantum leaps of electrons or the twin-like behavior of entangled particles, no matter how far apart they are. Atomic Habits takes us into this realm and makes it our own. It gives us the tools to grasp the ungraspable, to understand the profound, and to appreciate the beauty of the universe in a whole new light. It opens our eyes to a world that's smaller than we can see, yet infinitely more fascinating than we could ever imagine. And just like that, we're drawn into a world much smaller than we can see, yet infinitely more complex. What if you could be in two places at once? Sounds impossible, right? Well, hold on to your hats, because the world of quantum physics is about to turn your reality on its head. In the early chapters of Atomic Habits, we're introduced to the concept of superposition. Now, this isn't your average everyday position, this is super. The author brilliantly uses the metaphor of a hobbit to make this complex concept comprehensible. Imagine a hobbit comfortable in his hobbit hole, but also out on an adventure at the same time. Sounds fantastical, doesn't it? Well, in the quantum world, it's not just fantasy, it's reality. Superposition is the idea that an electron, a tiny particle that makes up atoms, can exist in multiple places at the same time. You heard that right. It's not just chilling in one spot, it's living it up all over the place. This isn't something we see in our day-to-day lives. I mean, you can't be at home watching this video and also out grabbing a coffee, can you? Yet in the quantum realm, this is the norm. The author's humor and wit shine through as he navigates these mind-bending concepts. It's not every day you come across a book that makes you laugh while also making you question the very nature of reality. The Hobbit metaphor, so ingeniously woven into the narrative, not only simplifies these complex ideas but also makes them enjoyable. It's a bit like having your cake and eating it too. Only in this case, the cake is quantum physics and eating it is understanding it. So, here's the takeaway. In the quantum world, even the impossible seems possible. The rules are different, they're strange and often counterintuitive, but that's the beauty of it. It challenges our perceptions, pushes our boundaries, and leaves us in awe of the mysterious and incredible universe we're a part of. In the quantum world, even the impossible seems possible. Ever wished you could stay connected with someone no matter the distance? Well, it seems the universe has already thought of that, and it's called quantum entanglement. Imagine two particles born together and forever linked, no matter how far apart they may end up. That's the essence of the chapters we're diving into now, where the author likens this phenomenon to a love story. This concept is a beautiful anomaly in the quantum world, a realm that often defies our understanding of space and time. It's a tale of two particles that, once entwined, remain forever connected. This real-world Romeo and Juliet saga doesn't care about the rules of distance or time. The author describes this connection as a dance, a ballet of the subatomic. When one particle spins, the other spins too, no matter the space between them. It's as if they're two lovers dancing to the same song, even when oceans apart. In the real world, such a connection would be impossible, but in the quantum realm, it's just another day. This concept is a stark reminder of how little we truly understand about the universe. It's a testament to the mystery and beauty of the cosmos, a cosmic love story that challenges our comprehension. The author doesn't just present this concept as a mere scientific fact. Instead, they weave it into a narrative that captures the imagination. They make the abstract tangible, the incomprehensible relatable. They make us feel the connection between these particles, make us root for them, just as we would for star-crossed lovers in a novel. This is the magic of quantum entanglement, a love story written in the language of the universe. The author brings this story to life, making it more than just a dry scientific concept. They transform it into a tale that resonates, that sparks curiosity, that makes us look at the world and the universe in a whole new light. The author's narrative shows us that science and emotion aren't mutually exclusive. They can coexist, intertwining like entangled particles, creating a beautiful narrative that both educates and captivates. It seems the quantum world might just be the ultimate romantic. How does the weirdness of the quantum world relate to our everyday life? It's a question that the book Atomic Habits grapples with, and in its conclusion, it brings these two worlds together in a fascinating way. The author takes us on a journey, tying in the seemingly bizarre and abstract quantum realm with the tangible, everyday reality we live in. The strange quantum phenomena, those atomic habits, aren't just oddities to be marveled at. They're the architects of our modern world. They power our computers, enabling us to connect, create, and learn. They make GPS technology possible, ensuring we never lose our way. These quantum principles, as peculiar as they may be, are at the heart of our technological age. While the quantum world may seem far removed from our daily lives, its influence is all around us. As we close the pages of Atomic Habits, we step back into our world with a new understanding of the unseen forces that shape our reality.